Please listen. The program broadcasts daily from 6 p.m. on Vikas Pachori Radio.
विकास का प्रयास.
Friends, there was a time when international diplomacy meant closed rooms, long meetings, joint statements, and serious faces. But now the world has changed. Today, even a selfie can become global political headlines. The recent meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni gave the world a glimpse of his new diplomacy, traveling together in the same car, taking selfies at the ancient Colosseum, and then the gift of Indian Melodi chocolate. Soon, Melodi started trending across social media. People made memes, jokes spread everywhere, but very few actually tried to understand the political significance hidden behind those pictures. Friends, in today's world, diplomacy is no longer driven only by documents. It also runs on emotions, images, and digital influence. A smile, a warm gesture, a viral video sometimes create a bigger impact than agreements buried inside thick official files. But sadly, people on social media were busy laughing at selfies. India and Italy were discussing strategic partnership worth billions. Railways, ports, AI, startups, defense, supercomputers, and even the India Middle East Europe Economic Corridor. Project that could redefine India's trade and global influence in the coming year. Friends, politics today does not operate only inside parliaments. It also operates on mobile screens. And that is why leaders are no longer just heads of nation. They have now become global brands. And as you already know, the world is changing and so is the language of diplomacy. Earlier, the power was displayed through weapons. Today, it is displayed through soft power. Once, America built influence through Hollywood, South Korea through K-pop, and now India is building a new global identity through yoga, digital India, and its cultural warmth and simplicity. So, do not look at every viral image merely as entertainment, because sometimes behind a simple selfie, an entire global strategy may be hidden. I am Nikita Tomar.
You were just listening to the program broadcast daily from 6 p.m. on Vikas Pachori Radio.
विकास का प्रयास.
तो सुनते रहिए विकास पचोरी रेडियो और अपने प्रियजनों को भी कहिए कि प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड करके वह भी सुने विकास पचोरी रेडियो.